Hello my dear students. This video is for class 8 subject computer. We are going to learn chapter number 4 charts in MS Excel 2007 and this video is part 2 for the same. Children, in last video you have already learned about components of chart, different types of chart and their subtypes. Now in the following video you will learn about steps to create a chart, how to change type and style of a chart, change text and data in a chart, how to resize and move chart, and finally how to print a chart. Charts can be created in the same worksheet where you are working, or it can also be created as an object in separate sheet. All you need for creating a chart is a table or the information present in rows and columns. For creating charts in Excel, there are two options. Number one is by using shortcut key and number two is by using steps. Now let us see how to create a chart by using shortcut key. So for creating a chart, first we have to select the desired cells, that is the data from the table on which we have to create a chart. And after selecting the desired cells, we have to press the Alt plus F1 or F11 key for creating a chart. Let us now create a chart by using shortcut key. So children, our first step will be to select the data from the table. After selecting the data, we have to use the shortcut, that is Alt plus F1 or F11. So here I am using the shortcut, and see children, as soon as I use the shortcut, a chart appears on the screen. Here it is a column chart which has appeared as a separate object. In the early slides, I have already told you that chart can be created in the same sheet or as an object in another part. So see children, here the chart is created as a separate sheet. I have data on another sheet and the chart is on the another sheet. So this is how you create a chart by using the shortcut. Now we will see how to create chart by using 4 simple steps. So the step 1 is, first we will select the cells from the table, that is data from the table on which we have to create the chart. Step 2, we will click the insert tab from the ribbon. Step 3, select the required type of chart from the chart group. That is, which kind of chart do you want? Column chart, pie chart, bar chart, etc. Step 4, select the chart subtype from the drop-down list. Now I will show you how to create chart by using different steps. So here step 1 will be, you have to select the data from the chart. After selecting the data, you have to click on insert. Once you click on insert, in this you can see different types of charts. These are the options available, different options available for creating chart. So from here you can see different kinds of chart, that is in column or bar chart. Here it is hierarchy chart, then line or area chart, statistic chart, pie or donut chart, etc. So here you have different types of chart. So say suppose I want to create a column chart. So once I go to column, here you can see different subtypes of the same chart. So from that I can select anyone. Anyone I can select. Say I am selecting this subtype, and once I click on it, see children, the chart appears on the same sheet. So in the last part, I showed you how chart appears as a different object. Now you can see that the chart appeared in the same sheet where the table is present. So this is how you will create a chart by using different steps. As soon as you get a chart in your worksheet, you can see that three new tabs appear on the ribbon. That is Design tab, Layout tab, and Format tab. These tabs are having many chart tools which allow you to make changes to the chart, which we will be seeing in the coming up slides. Children, now we will learn how to make some modifications to the chart. That is, after having a chart on your worksheet, what all changes can be done to that chart? First, we will learn how to change the chart type. That is, a chart is already there on your worksheet and you want to change its type. So for that, step 1 will be double click the chart and click on Design tab. Once you click on the Design tab, you will see Change Chart Type from the Type group. You have to select New Chart and subtype from that Change Chart Type dialog box. Once selected the new type which you want, click on the OK button. You will see that your chart is changed. Here I will show you how to change the chart type once the chart is created. That is, right now you can see I am having a column chart over here. Now how to change it? For that, first I have to select the chart. As soon as you double click on the chart, you can see a change chart type from the type option. From here, you can change the chart type. Just click here and see a dialog box appears which gives you option to change the chart type. From here, you can select different kinds of chart. For example, pie, bar, area, scatter, many types are available. From this, you can take any type. For example, suppose I want a pie chart. So I'll select on pie. Then I can go for the subtype. These are the subtypes given. I can select any one from here and then click on OK. Once I click OK, see children, our chart type is changed. Earlier it was a column chart and now it is a pie chart. So these are the steps which you will follow to change the type of your chart after creating a chart. Now we will see how to change the chart style. For that again we have to double click the chart and go to Design tab. There from the chart styles group you have to click on More button. It will give you, once you click on More button, it will give you many styles. From that styles you can select the style which you want and then finally click on the OK button. And then you can see that the style has changed as per your choice. We have already seen how to change the chart style. So let us now practically do the same. So for that, you have to click on the chart which is already created. Next, you will go to the Design tab. In Design, you can see Chart Styles group. In that, you have to click on More option. So here it shows you all the different chart styles available for the chart. From here, you can select the different styles as per your choice. For example, suppose I am selecting this chart. So once I click on it, you can see that the style of the chart is changed. So these are the steps which you will follow to change the style of the chart after creating a chart. Children, we have already seen how to create a chart from a table, and you might have by now understood that for a chart to be created, first we need data. The data from the table is used for creating a chart. This means what? This means that Excel, chart, data and text are all interconnected with each other. And so, any change done in the worksheet will be automatically updated in the chart. That is, if you make any change in the table, the same change will be automatically updated in the chart. Your chart will be automatically updated. Since data in the table and chart is interconnected, if we want any change to be done in the chart, for example, suppose I want to delete data from the chart. So for that, first I have to delete data from the respective worksheet. As soon as I delete data from the worksheet, the same will be deleted from the Excel chart. Once again, I am repeating, both chart and data in the table are interconnected. And so if you make any change in the data in the table, it will automatically be reflected in the chart. Here, children, I am trying to show you how the data in the table and the chart is interconnected. Suppose I am making a change in this table. For example, the science marks of Rahul is say 50. See, it is 50 over here and it is also showing the same here. But if I make a change here, for example, I am changing this 50 to 100. So you can see that in the chart also it is automatically updated. The change which I made in the table is automatically updated in the chart. Now the same is applied for deletion also. If I am deleting anything from the table, same will be deleted from the chart. For example, I am going to delete here the science marks. The complete science marks I deleted, and you can see that it is automatically deleted from the chart. So children, I hope you understand that any change made in the table will automatically be reflected in the chart since both of them are interconnected. Next, we will see how to resize and move chart. So for this children, there is a process known as handle, and it is a process which is used to adjust a chart by dragging the chart's frame. To resize a chart, we have to drag the corner handle on the chart diagonally. I will be showing you in the next part how to do it practically, so it will be more clear to you. The same way, to move the chart, you just have to point anywhere inside a chart and drag it to the required direction. Just by dragging it, you can move the chart to the required location. Now I will show you how to resize and move a chart. Children, I already have here a chart, and just by clicking it, once I click it, go to the corners of the chart. And when I get a two-headed arrow, I will just drag this chart inside or outside. If I'm dragging outside, that means I'm increasing the size of the chart. And if I'm dragging it towards inside, that means I'm decreasing the size of the chart. So just by using this two-headed arrows or clicking on the corners, I can resize my chart. Now next, for moving a chart, you just have to click anywhere inside the chart area and then drag. Just by dragging, I can move my chart to anywhere in the sheet. So I hope you now know how to resize and move a chart. Next, we will see how to print a chart. For printing a chart, we have to follow these steps. Step 1. Select the required chart to be printed. Step 2. Click on the Office button. Step 3. Click on Print option. Once you click on Print option, you will get a print dialog box where you can make necessary changes like number of copies, format, etc. Once you make the changes and you are sure about the print, then you can click on the OK button. Here I will show you how to print a chart. So for that, our step 1 will be selecting the chart. After selecting the chart, you can go to File, click on Print option. And this is where you can make the necessary changes according to your choice. That is number of copies, then portrait, letter, etc. Various changes can be made from here. And after making the changes, required changes, you can click on the print to print the chart. After seeing the steps to print a chart, let me now tell you some shortcuts. Control plus P is the shortcut to print a chart, and Control plus F2 is a shortcut to display print preview of a chart. Print preview means to see how a chart will appear on paper. That is, before printing, we can see how a chart will appear on the paper. So Control plus F2 is the keyboard shortcut for doing the same. Or you can just go to Office button, select Print and then click on Print Preview to take a look of a chart before printing. Children, please note that there are few differences in the steps as different version of Excel is available with me. The steps given in the book is for Excel 2007. So little changes here and there can be seen from the book and the one which I have shown in this video. I hope after watching the video, you all are very much clear about all the concepts discussed in this video. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.